How to fix GCash app auto back problem. Now, there are a few reasons why this is happening, but we're gonna show you the options you can try to try and fixing this little issue. So first is make sure you don't have developer mode active. I can open my GCash because it's inactive, but we're gonna go ahead and try doing a developer mode. And as you can see, if we go back to GCash, it's going to automatically push out or auto back our GCash. So just go back to the settings, of course. Go to additional settings or wherever your developer options is, and we should be able to find it over here in my device, and just go ahead and turn that off. And now we should be able to re-enter our GCash. Another is to make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. So just go into your Play Store and search for GCash and make sure there's no update option, because if so, that means you're at not the latest version. So just go ahead and press on the update and update your app. Another is go to back to your settings and press on apps or search for apps, and once you're in apps, just search for GCash. Then you're gonna go ahead and try clearing your cache. Finally, the last option you have is to switch your network connection. Maybe you're having internet problems. Try reinstalling the app as well. You won't lose your information as long as you already had it beforehand. And those are pretty much the only options you have. Try rebooting your phone as well if you can. Well, hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.